All right, buckle up everyone, because today we are taking a deep dive into the incredible world of Balochi needlework.
Ooh, I love this one.
I know, right? It's a heritage textile art form, and, it's practiced by the Baloch people of Pakistan, Iran, and Afghanistan.
Wow.
And to make things even more interesting, we're going beyond the usual sources.
Okay.
We're looking at Wikipedia articles in both English and Persian.
That's a really cool approach.
Yeah, I think so too, because, sometimes things get lost in translation.
Exactly. And you miss those cultural nuances, those hidden gems of perspective.
Right. So we're going to uncover the history of this super intricate craft.
Amazing.
Explore its cultural significance, and even trace its journey into high fashion, believe it or not.
Oh, can't wait to hear about that.
But first, we got to address the elephant in the room.
What's that?
Well, nobody actually knows the exact origins of Balochi needlework.
Ah, the mystery deepens.
It's true. It's like this beautiful enigma wrapped in colorful thread.
That's a great way to put it. But, there are some theories floating around.
Oh, really?
Yeah. One suggests a possible connection to, get this, the Neolithic site of Mehrgarh.
No way.
Yeah. It's in present-day Pakistan.
Right.
And they found all these textile fragments dating back, thousands of years.
So are you saying...
I'm saying just imagine, this craft could have roots going all the way back to the dawn of civilization.
Whoa. That's like holding a piece of history in your hand.
Right. Every stitch connecting us to the past. But that's just one theory, of course.
There are more.
Oh, yeah. Another one suggests that it might have been influenced by, wait for it, Slavic embroidery traditions.
Slavic? Wow, that's unexpected.
I know, right? Which hints at, this whole cultural exchange.
And migration patterns across huge distances.
Exactly. It's like those intricate designs are like echoes of ancient journeys,
That's so cool. So those tiny stitches could be telling tales of cultural encounters from centuries ago.
Exactly. Isn't it fascinating? And then there's another theory.
Oh, there's more.
One more. This one links the development of Balochi needlework to, get this, the silk production industry.
Silk, like the fabric.
Yeah, because think about it. Silk was super valuable back then.
True, it was a luxury.
Right, and it was traded along all these ancient routes. And, its presence in the region could have, totally shaped the evolution of textile arts there.
Yeah, trade routes have always been these pathways for exchanging ideas and, goods and culture.
Exactly. So we've got ancient civilizations, migration patterns, silk roads, like a historical puzzle, just waiting to be solved.
I love it. It's like a detective story, but with needles and thread instead of clues.
All right.